Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Emily Freybler. So today's video we are going to be doing a get ready with me video, just plain with some makeup. I want to do a very dewy look. My face actually has been somewhat dry lately. So that's what we're going to do today. Perfect for springtime, summertime. So if you enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every single week on affordable beauty and fashion. And let's go ahead and get started. So the elephant in the room, if you guys haven't seen my video, I went blonde and I did it myself and I have a whole video of how I did it and everything. I just really wanted a change and I wanted a change for summer to go lighter. I haven't been this light in probably, actually let's get started and I'll talk about this. First things first, we're going to use primer. Like I said, I do want something more dewy today. So for primer today, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild primer serum. I go back and forth between using this. It isn't a dewy thing. I feel like for a primer serum, you would think it would be dewy, but it actually just kind of helps the makeup last on your skin, I think. And for foundation today, I haven't used this in a while, but this is the L'Oreal True Match Lumi foundation. And if I have drier skin, I always go back to this. What shade am I using? W3 in this, which should be a good match since I am a little tanner right now. Okay, it's a little dark, but we'll work with it. I haven't been this blonde since 2016 or something when I was in college. I think while I was still in college, while I was still in college, I went dark again. I kind of will go back and forth with it. I went light maybe end of 2014 or 2015. I can't remember when it was, but I went light then and I was light for a few years and then kind of, went back dark and stuff. But when I went light, that was the first time since I was little, because I did get highlights when I was younger, that I was light. And so anyway, it was really fun and I just like to change up my style when it comes to my hair. I go short, I go long. Obviously I didn't want to go short again because I did that last summer and I was just ready for a bigger change. So that's where we are. If you haven't seen the video, go check it out. I think personally it's a good video because you see me kind of mess up a few times too, and I can show you everything isn't perfect when it comes to doing your own hair, but it's worth it because it's so much cheaper and personally I think it looks pretty good. So for concealer, I've really been liking the e.l.f. Flawless Brightening Concealer. Now this is not full coverage. It's about maybe a medium coverage. But today, since that foundation was just a tad dark for me, I do need to lighten things up. And this is in the shade Light 26N. And it's just like it says, a brightening concealer. And I think it works really good. It looks very nice and natural and youthful underneath the eyes. Again, just blending this with a sponge. So anyway, I hope that video, if you have watched it and you have ever thought about lightening your hair, just kind of gives you the confidence to try it out at home. Things will go wrong potentially, but also it comes out really, really nicely. So yesterday I actually went back in because if you watch the video, my hair isn't this exact color in the video. It's a little warmer. And I said at the end of the video, I'm going to want to fix some things and just, work with what I got a little bit. And I fixed up some of the imperfections that I had. There were a couple blending issues and then also the tone. Like I said, it wasn't ashy enough for me. My natural color up here is very ashy. As you can see, this is my natural color. And so if I have a warm blonde, it just kind of looks weird. For powder today, I'm going to use the number 7 Triple Action Finishing Powder. This is my absolute favorite when I want a dewier look and not have a mattified look. So this is perfect if you have dry skin. So I'm just going to focus this in the T-zone. This bronzer, if you want a very sun-kissed, just beautiful bronze. This bronzer is amazing. This is Dolce from Milani in their baked blush line, or baked bronzer line, sorry. We're going to use a baked blush today too. But I love this because it's pretty subtle in the sense of color, but it still looks like sun-kissed, and it gives a little bit of a sheen, like a little bit of a glow to it, because it does have some like golden flecks in it. Then I always go down the bridge of my nose with bronzer, and it just kind of contours my nose a little bit. Also, I'm going to just go in the crease of the eyes. This is my easy hack. We're basically just going to do this and then do a little pop of like a shimmer kind of. Actually, I am going to take a pencil brush and go underneath. I just realized I didn't start the audio for this, so I guess, I'm sorry, we're going to have to do camera audio today, and it's not going to be as good as normal. Or should I start it right now? Now I have my microphone on. Now for blush, this is just going to give you such a youthful blush glow. This is Milani Luminoso, all-time favorite blush. And I've been loving taking my blush like all the way in here. Obviously concentrating the color on your cheekbone back like this, but then just sweep it here. And I feel like it just gives a nice, again, youthful, sun-kissed kind of glow to your skin. Now I'm highlighting with the CoverGirl True Blend Hyper Glow in the shade Pearl Crush. And a little brush from Wet n Wild. And I like doing my highlight before my brows and stuff so that I can really kind of come up here on the brow bone and go in this C shape here above. See that glow? And then I'll take leftovers and put on my nose. And then do a little bit on the Cupid's bow. This, you guys, I've been absolutely loving. This is the NYX Thick It Stick It in Brunette. Love this stuff. I was not sure how I was going to feel about it at first, but I really love it. It honestly is kind of like soap brows in a color, in a brow mascara, I guess you would call it. It has these, what are they called? Little fibers to thicken the brows, and it really does work, and it looks really good. Alrighty, so for the eyes, like I said, we are going to use something else on the eyelid. I have been experimenting with these shadow sticks from e.l.f. for a little while. I have Champagne Crystal and Perfect Pearl. So I'm going to put Champagne Crystal on the eyelid just for a little bit of a lighter effect. So I've just been pretty generous with this on the lid here. And then I'm going to take that pencil brush that we had underneath the eyes and just blend it. Now I'm going to put Perfect Pearl in the inner corner of the eye. So like right here. And then I'm going to take my finger and just kind of smudge it. Now I'm going to do the lashes. I'm going to take the Essence Lash Primer. I love this stuff. Also, I forgot to say, everything that I'm using will be in a blog post linked in the description box. So all you have to do is go into the description box, and the blog post will literally have links to every single product that I'm using on my face today. So while that sets, I guess, I'm going to take the LA Girl lip liner in Bare and line the lips. So I'm basically just going in a little bit from like the actual lip line. Then for the lipstick, I'm going to take my absolute favorite color right now. This is the Essence, I guess just lipstick, in the shade 12 Loyal. So pretty. It's like a peachy nude. Basically, last but not least is the e.l.f. Big Mood Mascara. You guys know how much I love Essence Lash Princess. Well, that one is amazing and I love it so much, but it does flake on me. And I've had this Big Mood Mascara for a while now, but it was before I was using that lash serum. If you didn't know, I use a lash serum and it's made my lashes grow insanely long. I love it so much. I have a whole video about it and how I do like a mascara routine. And in that video, I use the Lash Princess mascara. Now that my lashes are longer, this mascara is amazing. If you have shorter lashes, you might not like it because the wand is ginormous, you guys. Look at how big this wand is. But it is so good. It like volumizes my lashes and just makes them like long, volumized, beautiful. I just really, really like this mascara now. Isn't that crazy? That mascara? I love it. I love it so much. All right, you guys, here is the finished look. I love how it came out. It's a very fresh, just springy type of makeup look with big lashes, and I love, love, love this nude lip. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every single week on affordable beauty and fashion, and I would love to have you subscribe. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in a video very, very soon. Bye, guys.